Hey guys, this is TJ or over here at Down and Out Design, and just want to do a little unboxing video of my new compressor that I got from California Air Tools. As you can see, my shop is an utter mess. I mean, it is just absolutely ridiculous. I mean, there is stuff everywhere. Most of it's junk. I mean, it doesn't even make sense to me why it's in here. Anyhow, I've seen people do these unboxing videos, and I thought it'd be pretty cool to do an unboxing video, as I've never done one. It's been a while since I've done a video, and I've never had a California Air Tools compressor. I've always had just whatever I could pick up at the hardware store, you know, Craftsman, Sears, you know, whatever they have at Sears or Walmart or Harbor Freight, Ingersoll Rand, stuff like that. So I'm really excited about this compressor. So I figured I'd take you guys along with me. For those of you that are on the fence about buying a new air compressor, I got the California Air Tools 1002. That's the model number with the 10-gallon tank, and I'm gonna see if I can film this with my phone while I unbox this thing. So y'all just bear with me. Let's see if I can set y'all up somewhere that you can see. Well, alright, that's not gonna work. Yeah, pretty hilarious ways of filming here, I guess. Well, I'll just see if I can do it with one hand. I think the weight that they have on it is supposed to be something like 88 pounds. So hopefully it won't be too hard to get out of the box. Got my water bottle, my gallon of water sitting here, and a rubber hammer. We'll see if we can do that. Alright guys. Apparently it came in a pretty large box, as it is not a small compressor. So whenever I was making the decision to get this compressor, I was really thinking about getting a large, shop compressor. But the problem with that is, eventually I'll be building me a larger shop, something in the neighborhood of a 40 by 40 building. So I didn't really much see the point in buying a massive air compressor whenever I have such a tiny workspace to deal with. So that being said, I wanted to hold off on that, and at least whenever I got this one, it could be portable. It's on wheels, as y'all will soon see. I can manhandle this thing out of here, which probably not. I don't want to make an ass out of myself on this video, because you only get one shot to unbox something, so I'm going to do it right. Not going to make a complete good. Oh yeah, that's great. It's like a kid's candy store, kid on Christmas. Sometimes a hole in the china closet is the best way to go, which I am not very gentle whenever it comes to doing anything. Here's the thing. Yep. It is every bit of 88 pounds. Get the bottle all way so that I can see what I got going here. Oh, well, there's the wheels, or one wheel. Not entirely sure what this thing is, but I'm sure we'll find out. The other wheel. This thing's packaged in here really well, so I mean, hats off to the shipping department for making it so fun to get into and protecting the equipment. Kind of getting warm in here. I paid $400 for this. You can get an oil bath version of this very same compressor for a fraction of the cost. However, there is maintenance that you have to take care of, and I figured, you know, I'm always buying cheap stuff and getting secondhand stuff and rebuilding stuff, and I'm really sick of it, so I wanted to just go ahead and get something that I don't have to worry about. I can just use it and pretty much set it and forget it. So, look at there. Probably can't see it. Let me see. Yeah, you can see just the engine. That's pretty hilarious. Let's see, put it right here. Yeah, alright. I'll take you guys for a little spin around it. Here it is. Dual piston motor. Oil free. Like I said, it's the CAT-10020, 110 volt. Runs at 60 hertz, 14 amps. Looks to be like a really rigid and tough looking compressor. Now that's the back side. Oh, check this out. It's got a steel braided line down there. We'll have to work on that. I'm not real sure what the hell that is. It's quite different than compressors that I have used. This is the face of it, man. That is a beautiful looking compressor. I mean, it is just very nice. Spin it around here. Got an awesome looking faceplate, a good solid handle with a rubber grip, dual gauges, red adjustment knob for your pressure. You got dual outlets with quick connects already on it. You got your kill switch. And let's see if we can get some of this wrapping paper off of it. I've got to get like some kind of camera one of these days. Alright. And there is, right out of the box, California Air Tool air compressor. 10-gallon tank, a 2 horsepower motor setup, opposed to the 1 horsepower that you mainly get with a 30-gallon. So my first impression is I am absolutely in love with it, and I haven't even started it yet. Let's take a break, and I'm gonna put the wheels on it, and I'll be back to plug it in.